Yeah, man. This is WKVT. This is a cover of a late Lucky Dube song. Nobody can stop reggae because reggae's strong.
Reggae in the bottle, reggae in the bag, reggae everywhere. Reggae